Hi, hope you all are doing well. Wanted to share a few things with you. I had a very productive week this week. Lots of interaction. Of course, taking all the COVID precautions. Lots of interaction with the elite WOW group of Ludhiana. The There was so much to learn and such new experiences. I got mingling with people with myriad tastes, different professions. It was really very invigorating. On Wednesday, I had a tea session, high tea session in Aina, which is a very sophisticated and state of art skin dedicated skin clinic. And there I met two beautiful ladies, one my junior and one my senior. And I was meeting them after many decades. So, and it was wonderful interacting with all the WOW ladies under Rupa Pava, the style icon and lifestyle designist of Ludhiana. So it was in that session, we had a small session, and I introduced my concept of art therapy and promised to deliver more when we meet again. We were told the latest technological developments in the realm of skin enhancement, how to take care of the skin, the myths that are floating in the market, and how we should go about, how we should be doing the self care and the self investment, and how to look better, feel better, and be better. That was the main motto. Yesterday, I had a beautiful interaction in with the WOW ladies, and I uh, did a session on color therapy. I'll be sharing a few snippets of that color therapy session, and at the end of 2 minutes, I'll tell you uh, if you want more. We can. I can. If you send me your, if you just message on Facebook your email, then I'll be sending the PDF, the detailed PDF to you on your email. That will be helpful. Uh, before I start, I'll be sharing a few things. Like we all know, the colors are the most enthralling, enchanting aspect of our lives. Not just art, all aspects of our life. And the colors they are so much affecting our emotions, our feelings, our attitudes, and our health also. Our health and psyche, they are so much affected by the colors. These colors, if we use them in moderate amounts and if we use them intelligently, we can do wonders with our health also, with our health, with our mental state, and with our well-being. Of course, being a medical person, I will never say that they can replace medical treatment. Of course, no. The colors uh, can play a complementary role. Of course, if you have hypertension, if you have diabetes mellitus, you are definitely going to follow the doctor's prescription to the T. Just for uh, extra help, or just for making that therapy the main therapy, the drug therapy, more beneficial, the colors can help. So here is the role of colors, and it has many preventive effects also, and many facilitative effects also, and many enhancing and potentiating effects also. Such is the power of colors, such is the value of color, and we can all inculcate these simple things in our lives, and we can definitely uh, have more well-being, mentally and physically, by imbibing these colored tips. I will call them tips. One of the very important thing is, we are all very weight conscious. Most of us are very weight conscious, and we want to eat proper, and we want to eat uh, healthy. So what we can do is, if you are using uh, say a white colored plate, and you place the food that you are eating, you place on that white colored plate, and if the color of the food is almost white or beige or nearby that neutral color, then you will eat more. Do you know? You will eat more. And if you take a dark colored plate, say you have a maroon colored plate, or you have a blue colored plate, dark blue colored plate, and uh, you place rice over it, or whatever you're going to eat. So if their color contrast is more, then you tend to eat less. This is the psychological effect, and it was a new thing for me also, and I shared with all the wow ladies, and how we can use various colors, the red, the green, the blue, and such beautiful tips I have shared in my PPT. I'll show you just the starting of, I'll share you with you the starting of the PDF and go through it very fast. And if you are interested, I'll be sending it to you. This is the, and our life is full of colors, and may all of the wow ladies and all the beautiful ladies in the world, and she unraveled so many new things. These were new things for me, and I understood how, and colors, the word color in itself, it has all the beautiful things. See, and my Facebook Messenger, then I'll, and if, send me your email, just write your email. I will be posting the PDF link, and you can all enjoy reading it. I'll make it playful and small, and you can share with your friends also, and we can all use these beautiful colors to make our lives more beautiful, more creative, more happy. So, good health and happiness to you all. God bless you. See you again. Bye. Bye.